countryside colors, gender, countryside colors, gender.
Immerse yourself in the breathtaking hues of the Middle East countryside as we embark on a soul-stirring journey with countryside colours.
Experience the untamed beauty of nature, where rolling orchards and picturesque landscapes come alive in vibrant detail.
Step into the tranquil world of a rural woman, where the profound connection between land, culture, and tradition takes centre stage.
Witness the timeless rituals of cultivation, harvesting, and nurturing as we unveil the secrets behind flavorsome rural cuisine.
Delight in the heartwarming bond between our protagonist and her beloved animals, as she cherishes and cares for them with unyielding dedication.